door of wisdom and knowledge and provides you many opportunities to prove yourselves to be the best citizens of the society and making you to fit to lead a purposeful, successful and meaningful life. Facing all the challenges of your life that comes on your way. May God bless you all.
To emerge as a center of excellence, offering technical and corporate education and research opportunities of very high standards to students, develop the total personality of an individual and instill high level of discipline in them, strive to get global standards, making our students technologically superior and ethically strong, who in turn shall contribute to advancement of a society and humankind.
The objectives of JMJ are turning to God in total dependence, analyzing the values, namely love, self-sacrifice, truth, honesty, justice and concern for others, respecting the beliefs and opinions of other religions, making the right choices while facing the challenges of life, striving to build excellence in every sphere of life, academic as well as non-academic, developing the positive image through seminars, and striving to build a personality by co-curricular activities, respect towards other religions, beliefs and opinions, and providing cooperative leadership.
Degree College, it chooses to work for the development of youth. In this process, the youngsters are work to discover the potential,
encourage the potentialities and to work towards their fullest development, towards workshops and towards their projects which they have completed. It gives the value of the full potentialities that here the students are only encouraged for rather than studies, also for the curricular activities and also for seminars, workshops, projects.
JMJ College has excellent labs for computer science, mathematics and electronic oriented study. Computer lab is spacious, well organized with more than 300 systems, of which the major share is contributed to the advanced machines. The lab has high-tech configuration of hardware and software.
The courses offered by JMJ institutions are JMJ Primary School, JMJ Higher Primary School, that is English medium, JMJ High School of Kannada medium, JMJ PU College of Co-Education, JMJ D8 College for Women, that is of Kannada medium, JMJ BCA College of Co-Education and also JMJ BCom.
JMJ College of Commerce and BCA is providing environment conducive to learning and all-round development of students. The college is situated in such an area which is less polluted but is well connected to the main town. Library of JMJ College is equipped to meet essential academic and intellectual needs of the students in various diverse fields. Online access systems, e-journals, updated books, novels, spacious reading room provides an atmosphere conducive.
The library stock consists of more than 2,000 books, which is regularly updated with changes in curriculum. The library also subscribes all leading newspapers, journals, national and international.
We dedicate and commit ourselves to achieve, sustain and foster unmatched excellence in professional education. To this end, we will pursue continuous development of infrastructure and enhance state-of-the-art equipment to provide our students a technologically up-to-date and intellectually inspiring environment of learning, research, creativity, innovation and professional activity, and inculcate in them ethical and moral values.
Monthly seminar for students, yoga and meditation, workshop on personality development,
coaching classes for backward students, spoken English classes and grammar classes, spoken PCMB and CT tuitions, value education classes, talent day, eco club, picnics, etc. Canteen. The spacious college canteen is an extra add-on with its delicious and nutritious food at a cheaper, affordable prices for the student. Hostel. There is a separate hostel for boys and girls. Each hostel is supervised by a warden who resides in.
Everything is theoretically impossible until you start. With this motto in mind, our curriculum is built. More and more practical applications are imparted through faculty members. JMJ also provides various facilities for sports like football, volleyball, basketball, table tennis, etc. with various trained coaches for both boys and girls. It also provides the students to showcase their skills, events and footprints in the various units like Red Cross, NSS, Rangers and